Hello, today I'm in Kia Optima. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, you can use the front wipers once in the mist mode by pulling it upwards. Next, you can use it in interval mode that you can also adjust by adjusting this part of the lever. And next, if you push it again downwards, you will use it in high mode, low mode, and then in high mode. To disable front wipers, simply set it to off position. Every switch is indicated on the instrument cluster display. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.